Today we're going to read the Fire Engine book. This is a little golden board book. Ding, ding, ding goes the alarm. The firemen slide down the pole. They have a Dalmatian. Clang, clang, clang goes the fire engine bell. The chief is on his way. Here they come. Watch out, make way for the hose car. Hurry, hurry, jump on the hook and ladder truck. There's the dog. The people come running out to see the great big hook and ladder truck. Here they are at the fire. The chief tells his men what to do. See the smoke coming out and there's the fire. Quick, connect the hoses. Shh. Goes the water. See, they're at a fire hydrant. Crank, crank, up go the ladders. Up go the firemen with their hoses. There's the fire hose. Chop, 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 go the axes. Crash, go the windows. Down the ladders come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. Oh, yes. They have to save the doggies, of course, and all kinds of very important things. They try to save them all. Sput, 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 out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. Hooray for the brave firemen! Do you know any firemen? They are superheroes. They fight fires. They go into danger and save people and animals. They are real, true superheroes. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. Please subscribe. Bye.
It's a beautiful day. Yeah.